For the past 3 years, we've been in a journey filled with hope, prayers, and countless tears. We were diagnosed with primary infertility, a reality that really tested our faith. But through it all, we held on to each other, to our dreams, and most of all, to God's promises. And in our years of waiting, we chose to live, to embrace every moment as a family of two. We traveled here and there, seeing the world with fresh eyes, making memories we would cherish forever. We strengthened our bond through shared adventures, spontaneous road trips, lazy mornings, and quiet nights filled with whispered dreams of what's to come. And though the journey wasn't easy, we never lost hope. We trusted in God's perfect timing, knowing that one day our little family would grow. And grow it did.
Kasal mo?
Oo. Sana yung ulit niya, ma, kung kasal na kami. Kasal na kami, ma. Kasal na kami.
Oo.
Alala niya, ma. 2 years na. Alam niya, ma. Hindi pa, ma. Malala pa niya. Ilang minutes yun? 5 minutes?
Ano kinuha niya?
Derma. Dermatology.
Gary Sagrado sa Arcadia, Santana,
19.
Arcada.
Baliktad mo, ama, ang 19.
Mas lang? Ha? Ay, lapat.
Ay, pa, ma.
Kami po sa iwan.
Sa Bombay?
Pa, ma. Pero kasal na kami.
Piling ko mabubuntis talaga ako this year.
2 years na.
Nagkuhan pa siya, whispering hope pa.
Sa whisper.
Hindi ko sa wag importante ito.
Ayaw.
Gusto na namin, ma. Pero wala. Pwede. Boy. Kaya naman nasuso ka.
Exciting. Test. Ulit.
Anong brand yan? Baka ano siya, hindi siya early.
I'm not sure.
We'll see. Third time's the charm.
It's so faint. Where is so faint? So faint.
Pero meron. Baka pwede. Sa Tuesday wala para mabayaran ng credit mo.
I scheduled a lot of online classes. This is the 4th.
Oh, it's dark. And then, kabar.
Back from the ultrasound.
And sa blood test si Jobel, so nakuha siya ng blood to get the HCG. And
It's high.
it's high. And meron kayong pakita, guys. It's our first
Photo of baby Sandy.
baby Sandes. Yay!
So cute.
Ooh, we're gonna be parents na after 13. After
Sinong 13?
19 years.
Pero grabe naman yung 19 years tayong nagtatry. 3
Oo.
years lang.
19 years since 14 years old nagtatry na kami.
Ay, so cute naman the baby. It's so little po.
Oh, it's
the
GS, Jared Santos.
Gestational sucks. I have to really eat well.
This is the sign of pregnancy. So we cannot deny na buntis na si Jobel. Finally, it's really
Yes.
an egg and my sperm
Combined.
combined.
So nabubuo na siya kasi yolk sac na.
And based on the HCG or yung laboratory, nasa 5 weeks and 5 days na si Jobel. At this day, ano tayo ngayon? February 10.
Yeah.
And it was only yesterday, February 9, na nalaman namin na nag-positive.
Yes, and we just sent our results to our OB, and then she said her congratulations na as expected results. Then you have to repeat na lang after 1 or 2 weeks. So Sobrang blessing talaga ni Doc Chen Arcilia kasi we've heard good reviews. Sinasabi talaga ng mga previous patients na nagpa-consult lang sila na buntis na and true enough. I
True
haven't
enough.
even started the medications na binigay niya to increase fertility, increase the chance of getting pregnant. As in, walang ginawa. Nagpa-consult this January lang rin yun, diba?
Yeah.
This January, tapos
Nagpa-ultrasound kami na high-end. Tapos, we were expecting na may cyst, dahil PCOS kasi Jobel. As you can see, magbabacktrack tayo ng video before. So, diba, ang daming cyst and yung ovary. Tapos, ayun, naging normal bigla and we don't know how and
Yes.
why. Pero, syempre, that's good news. And right now, February 10, ultrasound again si Jobel on her 5th week and 5 days, and true enough may nabuo. Meron na kaming picture ni baby Sandes. Woo! Sandes family's
Profile
growing.
iyak ako.
Yee!
Heartbeat. Kasi kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. And madaming pwedeng mangyari for like within the first trimester, but we really hope and pray na this will be a very safe and healthy pregnancy.
And very thrilling pa talaga kanina kasi pagpasok ko nung sinabi sa akin, sir, wala pong baby nakita. I was just expecting na, okay, kung wala, edi try again. Kasi sa nakita naming vlog ni Alex Gonzaga, they've been trying for how many years na? 3 years na failed pregnancy. But yun, binaba lang namin expectations namin. And syempre, parang wala ding pressure kay Jobel na if wala talaga, hindi naman niya fault yun. Hindi niya kasalanan na walang baby. But sinend namin yung result kay Doc Chen and she said, congratulations, because expected naman din at 5th month or in 5 months, wala pa talagang baby na nakikita usually.
Yes.
So, high hopes, mga 80%. Gusto na namin makita after 2 weeks na may heartbeat na, and sana tuloy-tuloy yung heartbeat na walang fluctuations.
Yeah. So we'll just pray and I hope that all of you will pray with us.
Okay, congrats mami!
Daddy! Naiyak ako.
Success!
At
Good
least,
job, Gerard! Good job!
Good job to my eggs.
Let it sink in muna. Hindi pa na talaga siya nagsisink in, pero I'm positive na for our expanding family.
Yes, claiming it. Naiyak ako. Baka every year na ako mabubuntis nito kasi hindi na ako stress.
So timing lang talaga after ng graduation. Ayan, bigla nang... And I'm excited to disclose the findings to our parents.
Yes.
Kasi
sabihin
they've
na
been
naman.
waiting for a baby for the longest time. So 3 years na kaming kasal and yun, we're gonna be parents na. And I'm excited for the reaction of our parents once sasabihin na
Reveal.
namin. So i-reveal ko siya Valentine's Day. It's my mom's birthday. And we need the prayers of our parents din na sana safe and walang problem yung pregnancy natin. So, ayun, gonna be a big reveal to our families and hindi namin papatagalin. Pero talaga, start na talaga ng pregnancy journey. Ibang ano na naman, ibang journey naman. Sabay ng clinic and ang baby journey.
Yes.
I'm really excited to be a dad, be a boy dad or girl dad.
Whatever, just
ano na.
healthy.
Woo! 2025, may baby na tayo.
Yes.
Baby clinic and
Snake
baby.
siya, baby! Ahas siya. Dragon gusto natin
But-
eh.
Kung 5 weeks na siya ngayon, kailan siya lalabas?
39 months. Wala, abot siya sa snake.
Kailan ba
Ahas
mag-change
siya.
ang snake? January pa no? By the next year pa. Baby snake!
Magiging ahas ang anak natin.
So dapat lalaki guys, wag babae. Snake. So guys, comment below if anong gusto nyo. Team girl, team boy.
And name suggestion.
Yeah.
Kaya pala ako moody.
At horny. Nakasel sa din?
Wanda to?
Nakasel na restaurant?
Wanda si Mami?
Ay, labar, ketuan.
Ah.
Lagay lang, Daddy.
Yaman lang kami ulit.
Yaman lang kami ulit. Daddy,
Mira, Nay.
Lolo, ito.
May pa.
May pa, kay 5 weeks pa lang, may pa gender.
May pa heartbeat. Oo, hindi ganit trabaha. Si Gerardo dumabi.
Na, lagay lang, surprise na lang kung mami.
Okay, Lolo.
Yeah, baka okay kami, may isang news din kami.
May aalagaan na kami.
Hindi na papa and mama. Lolo and lola na.
Wow!
1 month na.
Wow, ingat job. Huwag mo kayo.
Opo.
Huwag masyado ma-stress, ha?
Oo.
Hindi.
Angkong and amma na kayo. Angkong and amma na, yun na, maliit.
Ingat. Kanina lang, nagpunta dito si Jordan, dala niya yung anak niya at saka yung asawa niya. Kanina lang ako nagbanggit kay mama. Sabi ko, kailan kaya tayo mag-apo?
Kailan lang yan, sir? Kailan lang nag-check?
Kanina lang. Sabi ng ultrasound. Kahapon.
Four times.
4 times nag-test si Jobel, 4 times positive.
Tapos ultrasound na.
Ano na, 5 weeks. 5 weeks na.
May aaning kang alagaan.
5 weeks na.
So 1 month.
Kita na si Kim Kim. Answer prayer.
Opo.
Mabilis. Gulat nga kami yung ultrasound ni Jobel nung December. Normal lahat. Kasi kahapon, umaga si Jobel nagsuka.
Uy,
Kaya,
anong gilihi?
ano bang nililit? Marang pa rin.
Na, out of season.
Wala. Sabi pa sana niya, padala kay Papa ng marang. Sabi ko, wala yan. Prayers pa rin.
So, wag lang masyadong stress.
Yeah. Timing lang din after graduation ni Jobel, ayun. Hindi wala lang siyang stress, walang trabaho.
Kailangan pala walang trabaho.
Yun na dapat.
Nag-stop lang
Okay lang,
mag-work.
timing lang.
Bilis.
Basta, in his time. In his
Opo.
time.
Timing lang talaga.
Oh.
In-expect na namin parang mid-year pa or end of the year. Pero bigla naman, January, February, meron na pala.
Buti, nahanap na ng mama ni Jobel.
Right.
Next. Tatawagan namin next.
Okay. Hopefully, basta ingat lang para talaga magkaroon na talaga tayo.
Yes.
Wala ko telephone number nila doon sa bahay ni Indasyon. Tatanungin lang sa mama ni Joel. I-message mo sa akin na.
Sige ma.
Opo.
Okay. O yan na, dapat.
So, kailan?
Ano pa?
Bukas, ano ba, 10 ngayon?
Yes
O
pa.
baka pinaktok na nila yung cheque mo.
Yes pa, siguro. Tapos bukas i-deliver na nila.
So, bukas, what time bukas? Kailan yung next scheduled operation procedure gawin mo?
Sunday.
So, hindi pa bukas?
Hindi pa. Sa Sunday pa.
Okay.
Ipapagod si Joel.
Dito lang ngayon eh. Nauubos ang daw lakas niya kasi hindi na siya nakakapagkape. Bawal na.
Dapat
Opo.
dahan-dahan na yung cafe.
Okay.
Oo.
Ngayon.
And then, kung may ano ka, feeling, tawag mo lang si Mama Jo, ha?
Opo.
Oo.
Yan
So,
na. Dapat healthy din kayo ni Mama para yun na. Longer.
Ipaalaga mo lang.
Oo. Dapat ano pa rin long.
Ayun.
para
Ayun.
para kaya namin maghabol-habulan.
Kaya nga. Tsaka hanggang makagraduate din siya kung ano man, kung maging doktor man siya, nandiyan pa rin kayo. Okay na. Sige na pa. Sige, Angkong.
Congratulations, John.
Angkong, Ama.
Okay, so happy.
Sige pa. Ano na, wish granted.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan na siya. That's the baby. Okay? Yun ang
Okay po.
embryo. Yun ang heartbeat niya. Ha?
Time to check Azarius.
Nahihirap ka na?
Not yet.
Hello ba?
My Suka. No, this is Hermes.
Sila lahat.
Outfit check. Except when I turn.
Parents of Azarius. It's blue.
Bag. My water. My financer.
And your suka bag.
My Suka bag. So, passenger princess. Pillow, pillow. My Suka bag. My water. My We're going to Fisher Mall. Hello, baby. Oh my god. Yes, po.
Paano ba yun? Is it the legs? Ayan.
Opo.
Okay.
Talaga, lumaki po ba siya?
Hindi, malaki ba siya? So, hindi kaya po kayo pinapicture na pinabideo na ganyan. Hindi pa rin siya
Usually, Doc, ilang weeks po ba malalaman yung ano? Yung gender?
Gender agad.
Hindi, kasi medyo minsan pag first try, mga 11 weeks, yung lumalabas na
Oh.
pag boy, madali makita.
Ah, okay.
Pero mo na. Early pa.
Oh,
Yes po.
early pa.
Lalo na kayo, mas makikita yun na mas maaga.
Mhm.
Hirap ang pag-gender sa inyo, mag-gender reveal pag ganun.
Mhm.
Hirap hindi kaya po kayo pinapicture na pinabideo na ganyan. Hindi pa tapos.
Yun yung gumagalaw na. May hands and feet na. Ngayon, magte-test tayo for NIPT and that's for
Genetic screening.
yes, genetic screening and also we can know what gender he or she is.
Yes, as early as 11 weeks.
But syempre ayaw namin malaman, gusto namin sa iba muna yan. Ipapakita yung result para ma-surprise din tayo.
Yes.
Kasi either way, boy or girl, we're happy to have him or her. Pero him talaga una, no?
Him. And then, this is our 4th ultrasound.
Go.
Oh, magalaw na nga.
Pas-heartbeat muna natin para hindi tunog tayo, no?
Likod na yun.
Nawawala-wala, no? Pero okay naman.
Okay po.
Okay na muna tayo?
Okay.
My youth is yours.